Yes, remember? He's here.
Get back
I
in.
got him. I'm gonna finish him
Back
off.
in and heal.
Come in, come in. I'll finish him.
Finish him off. Go finish him off, please. No. Pick me up. It's on the ladder. Did you finish him off?
They already lowered the first one. What the flip? He's good there. He's cooking in his turret.
Dude, we didn't finish him again.
The guy was shooting in his face.
Two died, two died.
Heal
Yep,
up,
two
dude.
died.
Long
I'm
as
healed
you
up,
heal
I'm healed up.
Let's get
You should push soon.
What sense does that make?
Right here, right here. He's low, he's low.
Got him.
Nice.
Okay.
Heal up.
Oh!
Got him.
Heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up.
One more on me. I need help. I need help. It's on me. Dude, who's
Hold on,
running
I'm
upstairs?
healing.
Thank you.
I got
Nice.
him both.
David,
Oh.
right here. He's good. Nice. Dude, that's clutch.
Heal up.
That gave me full health. It's so clutch.
Stitcher 1? Are you what?
No, there's bobcats here. There's bobcats. Someone killed them. We gotta find them.
These guys.
There's more people coming across the way.
Trying to find them.
He ran upstairs.
Yeah, it's Stitcher 4.
Right on me
Stitcher
here.
4.
Right on here, me. Shoot. I'm coming
Back,
back to
back.
you guys. Yep, they're chasing me.
Okay.
They might be coming from this other way.
I got you, I got you.
You're here, this other doorway.
Come back up.
So you're here in the doorway. David, come back.
Upstairs?
Yeah, Elle's in there. Whoa. Covering. Put it back so you don't get flanked up here.
We just looked
They're right underneath us.
underneath.
David, can you hit me with that charger? They just closed the door.
Oh, it's still reloading, it's still reloading. Do you need chargers?
Yeah, I do.
Here.
I'm getting blasted. Oh, they're gonna take all that loot.
Oh, I see him, I see him.
Okay, what do you see?
They're right there, they're looking. They don't even see us.
You mark him?
Right across.
We need to go. We need to get them. They're very low.
Mm-hmm. Come.
Give me a second. Reload. Go in.
Mm-hmm. I'm jumping right down over these. I'm not gonna take him down.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, you guys flank. I'll keep them occupied.
Okay.
Yeah. They won't even know.
Okay.
I
Oh,
hit him. I hit him. He hit me.
Oh!
behind us. Over here somewhere. Keep this way. I think we should just come with us if they're free. I think there's a point. We're underneath them. I just opened the door.
Me.
There's somebody with a Pharaoh kit not too far. We're here already. Stay on the outside of this thing. We got one. I got two.
Oh, I'm getting shot.
Nice. Another team, another team, another team.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay.
Right out here?
Right here.
Nice.
Shit. Just need heal. Shit. Not shield.
I'll cover you. There's some people behind us too, so. Got him?
Yeah, shit. I'm gonna go heal.
David, you need to heal.
I'm healed. What do you mean?
Sneaking up on each other.
Al needs to heal.
Shooting me, dumb fuck.
Stupid. Do it,
Oh, I only
I'm
have
dead.
light ammo.
Right there. Guys, help me, help.
Helping?
You just keep coming. I'm right here.
Heads up, heads up. Oh shoot, I got you.
Coming up, coming up.
Let them fight each other. I breached the door.
Okay.
But they're gonna jump and hit like that dumb shit.
I'm ready, I'm
Coming up
restocked.
this way.
Yeah, they're fighting each other right now.
Good.
I killed one more. I have no ammo though on that gun.
About the blast.
Oh, I'm getting shot, I need help. He's underneath the staircase, I'm going back. He's underneath the staircase.
How the hell did you guys get out there?
He's right there underneath the
Oh my god,
staircase.
behind you! Yes,
Got him?
yes! I'm dead. 30. Be careful, don't get him.
There's one more underneath us, be careful.
Yeah,
There's so much loot here, guys.
God.
I need small ammo. I can't even use my bobcat.
Heal. Yeah,
Cover
gotta
me for
heal.
1
Gotta
second.
heal, outta here.
Perfect.
I see what you mean with the... Oh, someone's running.
Underneath us? He's getting hit?
Yep.
Right underneath me. Let me reload.
Hit him.
Dead underneath? Right underneath?
I'm out of ammo. Wait.
Oh shoot.
Get back.
Just need ammo. Load weapon.
He's right underneath you, David. Be careful.
I see him. I melted him. Oh.
My shield's broken. Shoot. Let me switch out shields. He's coming.
Blasted him.
Two. Move.
Oh my god. Run back.
He's coming. He's on you. No. Two of them.
Blasting us so quick.
Fudge, dude. I'm stuck on somebody.
Did I knock one?
I'm not sure. Just throwing grenades. I'm good. That door's blocked. If you have a defib, you can get me. Oh, I'm getting shot.
Get in,
It's okay.
get in.
Come on. We're back.
He's coming, 2 of them. Okay, one more left, guys, One more left. Heal up. You're golden. Yep, him. That's it. It's just him. He's left. What shit talk left. Yes.
Got him.
Grab your shit. Get the flip.
One more.
Another one?
Nice, dude.
This is it, I think. This thing is running. Oh, he's got good gear then if he's running.
Now it's the team up, huh?
3 kids. Oh, Bobby. Oh, my God.
Grab my Bobby.
Bobby
right
Force.
there, Artie. In front of you, right there.
I know.
It's the best Bobby I
You just finish this guy.
No. You could grab him later.
Is this you here, Al?
No.
I'm right on.
Did you charge David?
Converter.
Yes, I did.
Yeah,
Don't take any
Yeah.
garbage.
Al, I have it. I have it.
Perfect. You can keep it. I have like 4 more.
This is the most damage we've done in a while.
That's sick.
Let's loot quick, because there's a bobcats behind us. Do we have a hatch key?
Does anyone?
I do have a
here?
hedge key, yes.
Get the fuck out of
shit.
here. You guys got... these guys all had cattle.
I don't worry about this. We gotta get Al's thing.
I had some decent, but it wasn't like...
Some dead bodies in here still.
Wait, someone's running up.
And that's me.
Where's that, David?
That's me.
Not me.
Okay.
Level 4 anvil, level 3 Berletta.